Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the Fire TV stick powered and the remote in hand. Start now. From the home screen, navigate to Settings, then to My Fire TV and open Developer Options. Once there, find the ADB Debugging toggle. This is the main developer connection, and note the Apps from Unknown Sources toggle too. You're doing this to remove external debug access and reduce security risk. Make sure you can reach the Developer Options menu. If not, use the remote to confirm the device is fully awake and on the correct input. Now you'll actually turn off debugging. Select ADB Debugging and switch it to off, which severs remote developer access. If you can't find Developer Options, reveal it by going to Settings, right arrow My Fire TV, right arrow About, and pressing the remote select button 7 times on the device name. This re-enables the menu. Once switched off, the system will stop listening for ADB connections. Make sure the label reads off. If it flips back, check for a profile or MDM policy, reapplying developer settings. Finish by rebooting the Fire TV stick so the change takes full effect. Go to Settings, right arrow My Fire TV, right arrow Restart. Once restarted, verify ADB debugging remains off. If ADB still appears active, check for third-party apps that request developer access and review any device management profiles. As a troubleshooting step, disable apps from unknown sources too, then reboot. If issues persist, perform a settings reset. Only use a factory reset if nothing else stops unauthorized debugging, since that erases apps and local settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.